Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see practice 4. Okay. Find the factors of the numbers. Then list the common factors. So first we have to find the factors of the number. 4, 8. First we have to find the factors of the number. First we have to see whether this number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, first 1 for the factors of 4. 1 for the 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yeah, 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. No. 4, 4 ones are 4. Yeah. So this is the factor of 4. Okay. Then factors of 8. So when we multiplied numbers, we'll get the answer 8. Okay. 1 8s are 8. 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2. Amale. Next 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Next 8 ones are 8 because 5 is not 6, no. 7, no. So 8 ones are 8. So next list the common factors. Okay. Common factors of 4 and 8 are, what are the common factors? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Understood? Next, B, 6 and 8. Factors of 6. Factors of 6. First we have to see 6 is multiplied by 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. One 6 are 6. Yeah, it is multiplied by 1. 2, 2 3s are 6. Yes. 3, 3 twos are 6. Yes. 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. No. 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. No. 6. Yes. 6 ones are 6. So next, factors of 8. 1 8s are 8, 2, 2 4s are 8, right? 2 is a factor. 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, yes. 5, no, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, so 8. We will not get 8, okay. 6, no. 7, no. 8, 8 ones are 8. So next, common factors of 6 and 8 are, what are the common factors? 1, 1, 2. So common factors only 1 and 2. Understood? So this is how we have to do the find out the common factors. Okay. So rest of them are the homeworks. Okay. Next, second, make factor tree for the following. So we have to make the factor tree. First one, 8. So how to make a tree? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay, next. So in factor tree, it does not contain 1 and the number itself. So that's why we are not taking 1. Okay. So here 2, you can't get any 2. So you can't take 1 and the number itself, right? So there is no tree for 2. 4, yes, you can. 2 2s are 4. Okay, understood? This is the factor tree of 8. Next comes to B. 20. 20 is to be, how to do this 20? 2 tens are 20. Okay, so you can't divide it, you can't multiply 2, so 5 2s are 10. So 5 also can't take, and 2 also. So this is the factor tree of 20. Understood? And the remaining are in the same way you have to do. Remaining are the homework. Okay. Next, complete the factor trees for 16. First, you have to complete the factor tree. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Next, 4 4s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Understood? So this is the factor tree. This is about the factor tree. Tomorrow we will see the divisibility rules. Okay? Thank you.